a perfectly runny egg yolk mixing with a dark, spicy honey drizzle. This engineers a 30-minute, 5-star weekend brunch skillet right in your kitchen. To execute this, you need 3 specific pieces of hardware: a large cast-iron skillet, a lid that fits it tightly, and basic prep tools. This grid layout displays the structural base and protein elements. We need 2 cups of diced Yukon Gold potatoes, olive oil, butter, sliced smoked sausage, a diced red bell pepper, 1 sliced jalapeno, a diced onion, and 3 eggs. The spicy honey glaze requires 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of hot sauce, a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Building this asset relies on maintaining a consistent thermal environment and following a strict timeline rather than complex culinary maneuvers. We begin by placing the cast iron skillet over medium heat to create a solid, crispy crust on those evenly diced Yukon Gold potatoes. Using 1 tablespoon of olive oil provides high heat tolerance to prevent burning, while 1 tablespoon of butter adds the necessary fat for a golden color and rich flavor. This diagram shows the necessity of patience. Upward heat transfer takes time. The potatoes must sit entirely undisturbed for several minutes to form a solid bottom crust before the first flip. Once the potatoes are crisp, integrate the secondary elements: the sliced smoked sausage, diced onion, bell pepper, and jalapeno. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the sausage edges brown and the onions become translucent. Rushing this foundational step introduces excess moisture from the vegetables too early, resulting in a soggy skillet rather than a crisp potato base. While the skillet cooks, prepare the glaze by gently warming the honey to lower its viscosity. With the honey loosened, stir in the chili flakes, hot sauce, smoked paprika, and cayenne. For a lower spice profile, simply omit the cayenne pepper entirely while keeping the other aromatics. This scale illustrates why darker varieties like buckwheat are preferred. Their robust, earthy notes counterbalance heavy capsaicin, ensuring the honey's character isn't lost. Warming the honey alters its physical state, dropping the viscosity so spices integrate into a smooth glaze. This specific calibration of sugar and heat provides the complex profile required for high-end bunch service. Return to the skillet and use the back of a spoon to press into the hash, creating 3 distinct wells spaced evenly across the pan. Place 1 raw egg directly into each of these structural wells. Immediately cover the skillet with the lid. This traps the moisture escaping from the vegetables to trigger a steam cooking mechanism. We maintain this thermal environment for 3 to 5 minutes. The trapped steam circulates to cook the top of the egg whites, while the surrounding hash insulates the yolks. The objective is a high-contrast finish, completely opaque, solid whites, with glossy, fluid yolks. Remove the skillet from the heat immediately upon reaching these visual markers to prevent the residual heat of the cast iron from overcooking the yolks. This trapped steam methodology guarantees a perfectly poached finish without the high-risk maneuver of flipping the eggs. Apply the spicy honey glaze generously over the completed hash and eggs. Garnish with chopped green onions and fresh cilantro to provide necessary acidic and visual contrast to the rich fats. Serve immediately from the hot cast iron alongside toasted sourdough or worn biscuits. Future iterations can include crispy bacon in place of sausage, or the addition of avocado and pepper jack cheese. By managing the skillet's temperature and the glaze's chemistry, you've assembled a breakfast defined by balanced heat and precision.